turning over the aging picture, scroll in the pursuit of the dream to create a miracle of the rewriting history. In a tide of industrial technology innovation with rapid development of a new energy industry on a challenging journey, an enterprise can assign for the development of a new energy industry innovation has brought with nirvana and the sublimation waves of a new energy industry. Nowadays, limited resources determine the trend of the development of human society. The sublimation of technology makes the development of future world with infinite possibilities, which provides an unprecedented opportunity for the innovation and development of leader in a new energy industry. Since the 21st century, leader has been widely used in new energy, photovoltaic, semiconductor, 3D printing, artificial intelligence, 5G, and sophisticated fields. As a leader in the laser industry, since its establishment in 2019, Shenzhen Gongda Laser Co Limited has been committed to the research and development, production, sales and supporting services of advanced short wavelength fiber lasers and laser precision machining solutions. It has launched the 30 to 500 watts 7 nanosecond green laser, 50 to 1000 watts continuous green laser, and 200 to 1000 watts infrared nanosecond pulse fiber laser products, which are widely used in photovoltaic, lithium, semiconductor fields. In the process of promoting the development of the industry, it has established a technical team with doctors, masters, and industry experts at the core with 18 patents. Relying on the three core areas of underlying material manufacturing, core device layer innovation, nonlinear system layer global optimization are the setting advantages. It lays out the short wavelength fiber laser segmentation field 5 years in advance and wins the favor of many well-known institutions. It has completed angel round, pre-A round, and A round financing, making the development walk in the forefront of the industry. Standing on the giant era ship, it is based in Shenzhen with the world in mind. From full of glory to open up the future, it has never stopped surpassing itself every second. It seized the day to promote the development of the new energy industry with the light of miracles of the majestic power, so that breaking through human combination of science and technology to illuminate the vast expectations.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.